Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Lamborghini Huracan. First, ensure both vehicles are completely off and not touching. Safety is paramount, so wear protective gloves and eyewear if available. Locate the battery terminals on both cars. The Huracan's battery is typically in the front trunk. Identify the positive, red, plus sign, and negative, black, minus sign terminals before proceeding. Now, take your red positive jumper cable. Connect one clamp securely to the positive terminal of the dead Lamborghini Huracan battery. Then, take the other end of the red cable and attach it to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Next, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part of the Lamborghini Huracan's engine block or chassis away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to transfer some charge. Then, try starting your Huracan. Once your Lamborghini Huracan starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection, starting with the negative cables first. Drive your Huracan for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If it doesn't hold a charge, you might need a new battery. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.